Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data without a network connection. To begin, always plan ahead by downloading necessary content. This ensures you have access to information and entertainment even when Wi-Fi or cellular data is unavailable. Check your device's storage to confirm you have ample room for all your offline files. This preparation is key for seamless offline experiences. For entertainment, download your favorite movies, TV shows, and music from streaming platforms before you lose connection. Many services, like Netflix or Spotify, offer this feature. You can also save podcasts and audiobooks directly to your device. Remember, some downloads might have a time limit, often around 30 days, before requiring a reauthentication online. Beyond entertainment, prepare for productivity and navigation. Download offline maps from apps like Google Maps for seamless travel without an internet connection. Save important documents, emails, or even entire web pages for later review. Many productivity applications, such as Microsoft Word or Google Docs, allow you to work on files offline, syncing changes once you reconnect. To optimize your offline experience, manage your device's storage wisely. Regularly clear cached data from apps to free up valuable space. Prioritize downloading only the essential content you will need, avoiding unnecessary files. Finally, ensure your device is fully charged, as continuous offline usage, especially with media playback, can significantly drain your battery more quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.